Hello everybody, welcome to Homeric Origin. An Iron Age settlement and Roman villa have been unearthed in England. A team of archaeologists from Dig Ventures has uncovered the remains of at least 15 round houses dating from 400 to 100 BC and the remains of a large villa built over the abandoned homes in the late 3rd to the early 4th century CE. The Iron Age settlement and the Roman villa lie in the protective shadow of Whitenham Clumps, about 50 miles west of London, the site of an Iron Age hill fort on the banks of the River Thames. Exactly where the people who used the hill fort actually lived had remained uncertain. But the Dig Ventures archaeologists believe they now have an answer. Chris Caswell, who is head of fieldwork at Dig Ventures, said, "Given how close we are to the hill fort, it is not surprising that there is a settlement here. It is the sheer scale of it that is impressive." He continued, "We weren't expecting to find so many houses within such a small space. The area we have excavated is just over a hectare and the settlement itself is clearly much larger. We have still only uncovered one corner of it. What is surprising is that hardly any of it showed up on the initial geophysics survey, probably because of a quirk in the local geology. It was only when we started digging that we were able to reveal the true extent of what is here. The Iron Age houses ranges in size from 8 to 15 meters in diameter, but the majority are around 10 meters in diameter and provide a living area of at least 78 meters square. Among the remains, the researchers unearthed an Iron Age fridge or pantry, a collection of ceramic food storage vessels which would have been kept cool and safe within a pit dug into the ground. A fragment of diop, which appears to have been painted, was also found, which suggests that rather than simply being mud-colored, the walls of the round houses may have been decorated. The team also reveals the footprint of a Roman villa built on the site of the abandoned round houses, measuring around 30 meters long and with at least 7 column bases. It appears to be a wing corridor villa and would have been home to a wealthy family with a working farmstead. Among the Roman remains, the scientists found cooking utensils like strainers, spoons, knives, a ladle, cooking pots, and tableware, a surgical spatula probe that would have been used for applying ointments and oils to wounds, and well-preserved bone combs. There is also a corn dryer used for drying corn after harvest. This is everything you would expect to find at a busy settlement, but that is what is so exciting about it. These are the foods, homes, and artifacts that made up the everyday reality of these people's lives," Caswell concluded. So what do you think about this? Let me know your thought about this discovery in the comment section. For more interesting videos, please check the playlist here. Subscribe to this channel and enable notification for more insightful videos. Thank you very much for watching.